This video is brought to you by Specdtuning.com. Today we will learn how to install projector headlights for a 2001 to 2003 Honda Civic. Tools recommended for this job are trim pad remover, 1/4 inch drive ratchet, 1/4 inch drive extension, 6 to 10 inches, 8mm socket, and a 10mm socket. We can begin by opening the hood. Right beneath the hood, we'll notice 4 clips that need to be removed. The clips are indicated here with red arrows. First, there are 2 screws under the bumper that need to be removed, before removing all 8 clips shown in the yellow and red arrows. Also under the wheel well, you'll notice 1 screw that needs to be removed. The screw is located where the fender and the bumper meets. Please also remove the screw from the other side. We can now gently tug on the corners of the bumper. By doing so, that should release the clips. Now we can remove the bumper. We now need to take out 2 bottom screws and 2 top screws. We can now pull the headlights out slightly. By doing so, we can then remove the signal lights and the harness for the headlights. Also, we will need to use the brackets from the original headlights to place on the projector. We will demonstrate that here. If your headlights has halo and or LEDs, please see our halo and LEDs instruction video. After the projector is placed in its original spot, we can place back the 4 screws we removed from earlier. After the 4 screws are put back, we could then grab the bumper and put it back into its original spot. Your installation is now complete. Please check all lights and signals before taking your vehicle out on the road. Thank you for choosing Specdtuning videos to assist you. Please visit Specdtuning.com for more products.